the magazine.
Okay, let's go.
Hi, and today we are going to open our new Numberblocks Magazine Issue 51, the Numberblocks 70 Proper Magazine. We are going to see the magazine and look at the toys. First, we will open the toys, which will come. And now we can take all of the tape off. There, up, at them.
Hi, this is a magazine.
We have got the toys. This is the Wiggly Numberblock fidget. My little sister Nuri calls this a caterpillar. Here you go, Nuri. This is a caterpillar. And here is my number 70 Popper. Look.
Puppet.
My friend Sanjana is here. Say hi to her. Hi, Sanjana.
Hi.
Now let's open the magazine. Hello, big numbers. It's time to meet 70. He's 7 tens and nothing more. Write his number. How many tens is he made of? And this is the puppet challenge. Nuri, please can I use the puppet? And we'll follow the instructions over here and we'll stick our stickers. This is a story, Space Division. It's a big story. It's over here. Squares in the moon. Achoo. Achoo. Next page, double zoom. This is a coloring page, and this is what we're gonna make. 10-step mission. Fit 1 to 10 into all these 55s and get ready to blast off. 90s magical knives. In this one, we will learn the 9 times table. This is the recycling advert, and we are going to color Numberblocks 70 in here. Now these are the stickers, and over here, let's see if there's stickers here. They're not. Anyhow, stickers. Next thing, up to 1,000,000. The next one is 54 grid games. My bow tie has a grid and dice on it. Let's play hide and seek with Numberblocks 6, 9 and 54. Let's play fill the grid with Numberblocks 2 and 1, and we will make our dice. These are the pictures of kids. And look over here, this is another coloring page. And now this is we are going to make a 100's height chart. We are going to see how tall we are. The next page is Number Explorer. What number can you spot? Over here, Space Explorers. 55, the Starship Explorer. And this is the next magazine issue, the Super Stationery Set.
Seriously, bye.
Bye. See you next time for more fun and educational learning videos. And also say bye to my friend Sanjana.